Sons and Daughters of God, Daily Devotional by Alan G. White. The renewed heart loves as Christ loved. April 4th. We receive a new heart. A new commandment give I unto you, that ye love one another as I have loved you, that ye also love one another. John chapter 13, verse 34. Jesus says, love one another as I have loved you. Love is not simply an impulse, a transitory emotion dependent upon circumstances. It is a living principle, a permanent power. The soul is fed by the streams of pure love that flow from the heart of Christ as a wellspring that never fails. Oh, how the heart quickens, how are its motives ennobled, its affections deepened by this communion. Under the education and discipline of the Holy Spirit, the children of God love one another truly, sincerely, unaffectedly, without partiality and without hypocrisy. And this because the heart is in love with Jesus. Our affections for one another spring from our common relation to God. We are one family. We love one another as He loved us. When compared with this true, sanctified, disciplined affection, the shallow courtesy of the world, the meaningless expression of effusive friendships are as chaff to the wheat. To love as Christ loved means to manifest unselfishness at all times and in all places, by all kind words and pleasant looks. Genuine love is a precious attribute of heavenly origin, which increases its fragrance in proportions as it is dispensed to others. Christ's love is deep and earnest, flowing like an irrepressible spring to all who will accept it. There is no selfishness in His love. If this heaven-born love is of an abiding principle in the heart, it will make itself known, not only to those we most hold dear in sacred relationships, but to all with whom we come in contact. It will lead us to bestow little acts of attention, to make concessions, to perform deeds of kindness, to speak tender words, true, encouraging words. It will lead us to sympathize with those whose hearts hunger for sympathy. This is your daily devotion. We thank you for listening. Please join us again tomorrow. Sorry for the late post, and we'll see you tomorrow. Sons and Daughters of God.